Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn on or off safe mode on your Google Pixel smartphone device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and select the settings gear button. And then you want to scroll down and select the Google tile. Go ahead and select that. And then you want to select all services up at the top right. And then go down underneath where it says settings for Google Apps. And you want to select search, assistant, and voice. Select the privacy and safety tile at the top. And then select underneath content where it says safe search. Go ahead and select that. And then at this point, you go ahead and modify your safe mode or safe search settings through here. So if you want to have it completely disabled or turn off, you can select the last option here to show all relevant results. Alternatively, if you want to enable it but just blur out certain potentially inappropriate results, you can select the blur option. And if you just want to filter out more explicit content, just forgetting about the blur, just don't even show it at all, you can select the filter option at the top. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.